How to verify Remitly account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can verify your Remitly account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now verifying your Remitly account is actually quite very simple. Open the Remitly application and make sure to log into the account that you'd like to verify. Then just tap the manage option that you can find from the bottom right of the screen here. Once you tap the manage option there, what you want to do is simply go to this option here known as profile, and once you go to the profile option here, you can see all this. Otherwise what you can do is simply go to the settings option and here you can see all this. But if you want to increase the transfer limit, you have to verify your account by tapping on increase transfer limit option. Here you can see it says increase limits. So you have tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3 verification. Currently I'm on tier 1, so what I can do is I have to apply for this, or I can simply apply for tier 2 because I'm currently on tier 1. After you apply for tier 2, then you can apply for tier 3. That will give you these limits, and then you should be able to go ahead and then actually verify your Remitly account. That's all it takes to verify your Remitly account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.